The best alternative to Zoom calls right now is Google Meets. So let's just hop on how to schedule a Google Meets invite, the call or the conference call. And what you can do over here is you can go to the google.com, and with your ID selected, you go to Google Apps, click on Meet. At the moment you click on over here, you will be directed to the page of Google Meet, and you can create a new meeting. You can start a meeting instantaneously by clicking over here on Start an Instant Meeting. You can create a meeting link. So suppose say if you want to have your conference call set up right away and you want to share the link to the people so they can directly join it up. So you copy that and send this link to them. And also what you can do is you can create a new meeting and schedule in Google Calendar. So what it will do is it will open up the calendar. You can set a timing, suppose say 30th of July 4 to 5 p.m. time zone. You can select the time zone if you are scheduling a call with somebody who is outside of your country. So yeah, demo call. So over here it shows that join with Google Meet option and up to 100 participants are there. So right now this current Google Meet for normal users is free till September 30th. Google might update it. You can see it on their blog. You can set the label color as well over here. So I'm setting up demo calls for an application, suppose say, and then you can invite your guest over here, write down their mail IDs and make sure that you invite the guest whom you want to, and then you can click on modify event, invite others. So this is guest permission, what guest can do. So suppose say if they want, if you want to send them an invite wherein they can modify the timing. Suppose say you are sending to some CXO level people and you want to have a meet according to their time, then you can click on modify event so that they can propose a new time or set the new time. Over here you will be able to select the notification through email or a notification. This notification would come to your mobile as well if this ID is synced with that. And you can set your visibility as well for public, private and default visibility according to are you setting it up as busy or free over here. And just that, you can attach documents from Google Drive and insert a link as well, and attach document through Google Drive as well to showcase some document for the demo call or whatever call you are scheduling. Also, if you have got a very busy calendar or schedule, then you can click on find a time and see that when you can schedule that particular call, and that would be there. So the users will be able to join your Meet through an application similar to Zoom, which is like Meet, and they can easily find it over on iOS or Play Store. And if they have a meeting code, they will enter that meeting code, or else if you have sent them the invite, then they can directly join it through their calendar or their Gmail invite that they have received. So if I click on this, I would be redirected to the Google Meet. So that if you're looking up for a GSuite account which you want to set up for your organization, then you can always contact us at CyberFocus. With GSuite account, what you get, the ability with Meet is like incredible. You can scale up to 250 participants and also add a live stream. And this live stream is suppose for say your institution, your college, school, wherein you can live stream to the view only live stream, wherein you can add almost like 100,000 viewers in that, and the overall functionality remains the same as for the normal users. So this is for the Google Meet GSuite account as well. So this is a separate part for the normal users. For normal users, as already told in the video, Google Meet would be free in some manner, which is like up to 100 participants till 30th of September. But beyond that, let's see what Google does for the normal users as well. But if you want right now to have your GSuite account set up, then you can always contact on CyberFocus. Thank you for your time. Have a great time.